how to leave a review on Groupon. So first of all, open your Groupon application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, you can simply tap on My Stuff. After doing that, tap on My Purchases. And then here you can see this is the all options. So there will be all of your purchases that you have also redeemed it. But if you simply tap on this redeemed option right here, all of your purchases that you have already redeemed will be shown in here so that you can review them. So after seeing all of the redeemed coupons, then you can tap on the specific coupon that you want to leave the review on. So after tapping on that, you'll get the option of see details, tap on it, and if required, you'll get the option of marked as used. Simply tap on it and then tap on confirm in order to confirm. Then finally, you'll be able to see the option of write a review. Tap on it and then it will let you write the review and also rate it and even add videos or photos on it. So you can do that and then simply tap on post in order to leave them a review. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.